Hi guys, and what's up, and welcome back to another episode of Bakkerud Life. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe during these COVID-19 times. In today's episode I'm gonna put my hands on my vehicle, which is my Volkswagen Transporter from 2003. I've been seeing all of the guys here in Norway, especially everyone in Norway. They are doing camper vans and trailers and all kinds of stuff. They're going hiking and camping in Norway. I think probably 90% of the Norwegian people, they are going camping this summer. So I decided that I don't want to rent a camper and pay a lot of money out the window for a camper. So I decided to take the car I had and go and make and convert it over to a camper van. And I uploaded a picture of my car the other day on my Instagram channel. Check this out. And as you can see, it's a car from 2003, a Volkswagen Transporter. It doesn't run very well, it doesn't have a good engine, it's a bit rusty, it looks like shit, but anyway, I want to convert it to a camper van and travel around in Norway. So I called a company called Trelast, which also are my partners for many years, Ronald Hansen. He provided me with all the equipment I needed. He also gave me a tour in his own private museum here in Bergen. It's pretty cool, check this out. After I was at Ronald, we went to my good friend Sindre and we started building the car. So a big thanks to Sindre for all your help. It's been a couple of fun days and I think we are pretty happy with the result. We bought some rackets from IKEA, which we will use as base underneath the bed so that we can have some closet doors coming out here below the bed, which comes up here. So we're gonna mount that one first. Sindre over there, I'm over here, and we will see the end result. So here comes the boxes, and now we start with the framework, which we will have below and underneath the boxes. The racks is here. Frame, then racks, then bed. You know, when I had the film with the Escort burning on one wheel, I immediately got a call from Sindre because he have a Opel Ascona. What model is it? 1978? 79. And he immediately called me and said, hey, my car does burnout on both wheels. So I'm gonna try it one day, maybe steal it. It's a pretty nice car. You aren't a proper builder before you eat your dinner from your wrecking place. Wrecking table. Normally every time I say the wrong words, Vlad is correcting me. So, because he has a thing for words, like he is super into fancy words. I don't like fancy words. I'm not such a fancy guy. But this is our meal today: rice and red curry chicken. So that's day one of the camper conversion build. I need to ask you guys of a favor. We need a name for the camper van and we would like you guys to decide a name for it. So please comment below, what name should the camper van be? Could it be rallycross related, motorsport? Or you can pick a name, whatever you want. Good luck. We're gonna choose one of you guys. So you happy with today?
Yeah, it's a good day. I think tomorrow during the day we're going to be finished and you can leave.
Forever? Forever?
Look at this.
I would say we was pretty efficient today. Yeah, it was sufficient. A full day of work for a frame. Tomorrow I think we will see the big change when we cover it all up. Should be good. Alright, back to base.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Easy. Like that.
And there we got the bed. So the doors are closed and the case is done. We had 2 days of work on this car and we are pretty damn happy, both myself and Sindre.
Yes.
We had some fun and yeah, I don't think I can show you guys the end result just yet. That needs to be in the next episode. Please remember to comment below the name of the car and we're gonna pick a winner probably next week. Until next time, flat up.